Are you ready for a law of attraction sleep technique that is so powerful it's like magic? The magic of 5 minutes before you fall asleep at night. So powerful, so astonishing, it will literally change your life. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're soaring in the direction of your dreams and your goals. You're going to see a technique and experience it and live it. And it's going to change your life. It's going to be so astonishing, so incredible that you're going to wonder, why haven't I been doing this all along? High flyers. The law of attraction, it responds to our beliefs and our thoughts and ultimately our feelings, which connect through our subconscious mind to the infinite field of potential or to the universe. And that's how we manifest. The universe literally matches what we put out. So it's very important to be very focused on your intentions and what you desire, because what you desire is what you will attract. So high flyers, I get letters from time to time and people say, why, Robert, is the law of attraction not working for me? I've read 100 books, I've watched 1,000 videos, I've listened to podcasts, and it's still not working. So what I do oftentimes is I kind of go through an outline of their day and I ask one question. Answer this question right now. Do you wake up in the morning sometimes feeling a little edgy, feeling some anxiety, feeling a little bit of uncertainness, feeling a little bit of unease? There's a reason if you do. And let me just say this first before we get to the reason. If you do wake up with this little bit of uneasiness, it's an indication that you are blocking what you desire to manifest. So high flyers, it's important to understand that your subconscious mind is the doorway. It's the connecting link between you and the universe and everything that you desire that's already present. But it's being blocked by your own fears, your own doubts, your own counter intentions. So high flyers, a moment ago I was talking about waking up in the morning with this sense of uneasiness, this sense of anxiety, this sense of uncertainty. And what's happening here is that the law of attraction is very, very clear. If you're transmitting out lower vibrational energies, say before you go to sleep, you're lying in bed, you're kind of going through the day, you're thinking about things, you're wondering why this didn't happen, why this isn't working, and all of that is being sent out through your subconscious mind into the universe. And as you sleep, it's being reflected back at you. In other words, this is going to drive you crazy. The universe is you pushed out. Think about it. Everything out there is a reflection of everything inside. So you're getting negative energy from because the universe doesn't distinguish between positive and negative energy. The universe just is. So if you're putting out negative energy to the universe as you fall asleep, it's giving it right back to you. And you wake up in the morning and go, oh, another day, man, it's going to be terrible. I don't feel good. I've got some anxiety, that kind of stuff. Okay, that's what's going on. High flyers, listen, that 8% we call your conscious mind or your ego or your waking mind is not going to be enough for you to attract the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness that you depend on. It's just simply not powerful enough. It's that 92% in your subconscious mind that has all the power. It has, high flyers, it has the magic. So high flyers, I'm going to share with you a specific technique that you're going to use 5 minutes before bedtime, and it's literally going to shift your entire life. You see, because the biggest mistake we can make is to take our fears, our anxiety, our doubts, our pain to bed with us. I'd rather see you taking your hopes, your dreams, your intentions, your goals. Take them to bed with you and allow your subconscious mind to work on that all night and send that to the universe. See, you wake up in the morning and you feel good. You feel excited. You feel like doing jumping jacks. You just feel like everything's going to flow in your direction. And it is. It's going to flow in your direction. This is fast, high flyers. This really works. Stay with me on this. This really works. So high flyers, number one, before you go to bed at night, I highly recommend putting some, what kind of lights do we have in our house that are smart lights? Is that what they're called? They're called smart lights. And so we just tell Siri, we say, Siri, nighttime. And Siri makes all the lights red. So we filter out all that blue light, all that daylight, ego light. And we start getting the brain ready to create more melatonin and get ready for sleep. And about an hour before bedtime, sometimes 2 hours, all the lights in our house will start to go red. And when we go up to bed, all the lights in the bedroom are red as well. So that's very healthy, but it also puts your mind in a receptive state. It prepares you to go into a deep state almost immediately. Now, no Wi-Fi. Turn off your Wi-Fi when you go to bed. If, at the very least, take your phone and put it outside of your sleeping chamber. Your room must be completely pitch black, totally dark. The next thing you're going to want to do, high flyer, step number 3, is to get into bed, get comfortable, take a nice, deep, cleansing breath in through your nose and out through your mouth, and lie on your back. Just lie on your back and relax. You're going to be amazed at how calm and how relaxed you are. So now, as you are falling asleep, I want you to believe that you are in a mental simulator. You know, like airplane pilots have these simulators. You're going to have your own mental simulator. And in this mental simulator, you are living the dream. You are living the life that you desire. You are with the boyfriend or girlfriend that you desire. You're with the person that you love more than anyone else in the world. You're with the new car that you desire. And you're experiencing it. You're not looking at it. You're in it. You're totally involved. And that's step number 5, to be totally, completely involved. So I think it's important that you see yourself going through things that you would like to do in present tense. In present tense. So we'll use this as an example. If you would like to have a new car, see the exact kind of car that you'd like to own. Feel yourself driving it on the highway that you'd like to drive it on the most. See the person sitting next to you that you would like to have sitting next to you. Hear yourself listening to the music on your stereo in your car. In other words, put as many senses as possible. Sight, sound, feel, taste, smell the new leather interior. You know, all the senses, literally, they just overwhelm you. They just excite you. And they raise your vibration. And as Neville Goddard said, feeling is the secret. Feeling is the key to manifesting. So there you are, you're lying in bed, you're going through this mental simulator, and now bring down a white light and cover yourself in a cocoon of white light. The white light represents power. It represents manifesting force. So what that white light does is it seeps into your mind and into your energy field. And it takes those beautiful pictures that you just experienced and it amplifies them. It makes them big. It puts magic behind them. And so you're not just sending up this nice little signal through affirmations or something like that to the universe. You are sending up a blowhorn of a message. You are yelling at the universe, I am with the person I love. I am driving the car that I desire. I am winning the lottery and I'm counting the money. And the universe can't help but hear you and respond. Now, high flyers, be sure and share your results down below here and share this video because this video will help people all over the world change their lives in 5 minutes before bedtime. And here's some other videos I know will help you on your journey.